Okay, so Justice is repainting the rims. He's repainting the rims because he's messed up on the first one, did it pretty bad. They did look pretty bad, I'll be honest. Just take a look at that. Not a good paint. Not a good coat. And what is Trey doing over here, huh? He's putting on the trim rings later. They sanded the hood. They're gonna spray paint that gray as well. All right, Justice, you're in a bad mood, huh? Cool it.
Where's that polish that you use to polish your
Justice is having spray paint troubles. The black isn't coming out the way he wants it to. Tell him the problem, Justice.
I don't know the problem. Freak you, that's all I know.
It's not looking good. Anyways, we're gonna have to polish this trim ring. Trey's about to do that. He's gonna get me one. I'm gonna have to polish it too. Gosh dang it. Where is it, Trey? Where's the trim ring? The other one.
I don't know, go find it, man.
There's the carburetor still not put in the truck.
Wrong carburetor.
Oh, really? What happened to that one? Oh, yeah, you're gonna sell that one?
No.
What's gonna happen with it? I forget.
For that carburetor?
Yeah.
It's like a...
Oh, yeah, it was messed up, right?
Oh, it's like a race carburetor.
A race carburetor? What was wrong with that carburetor, Justice? Oh, he can't hear a thing. Anyways, find that other one.
I'll do it and you go find it, bro.
Where am I supposed to look?
Anywhere you think of.
Shut up. Is it in your truck's bed? Nothing's in the bed. Hey, Justice, where's the other trim ring?
I don't freaking know. What are you doing?
He's in such a bad mood today. Ever since I beat him in that 1v1 basketball tournament that we had, he just hasn't been having very good days. Hard of a cut, and by that time, hopefully I've found it. You doing?
Trying to figure out what to do, man.
Go polish those trim caps. Well, are you gonna wait for it a little bit? Huh? Fine. Can I do it one-handed? Hold the camera. Bro, this content sucks. Oh, sorry, bro.
Alright, so...
Anyways, we're gonna move the door. Where are we moving it to? You're putting it in your truck? That's risky, man. Yes. This is the bench for this truck. This is the bench for this truck. Remember, if you guys remember, there's a huge hole right here, and it's just looks like a piece of junk. Anyways, we're gonna get a seat cover for it. We might have said that in some earlier videos, but yeah, we're getting a seat cover for it. There's Trey. He's been walking around doing nothing past a couple minutes.
Alright guys, as you can tell, this truck is gonna need a lot of work, and this is the end of the video.